Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia C12 to an Android device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both and install free app called Send Anywhere. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, tap on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by selecting OK. Finally, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of your Nokia and receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Stick around on your Android and select the best option for ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Nokia. You can finally tap on all of those categories at the top, and in them click on those dots at the top left corners. This way you will select multiple files at once from your category. You can also just click on the chosen ones instead, like this one photo. When you're ready, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and select the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then select while using the app or only this time. And point your Android's camera at the code. If you want to input this key instead, just click on Input Key section, below Enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!